What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Damien Dupee, your number one off-market land specialist. Today I'm going to be talking to you about why I fired all 7 of my virtual assistants. 7. I had 7 VAs, spent a lot of work training them. Definitely going to get into that in a little bit. But if this is your first time here, welcome. Appreciate you. Salute you. Thank you for your time and consideration. I promise to add some type of value to you in some way, some form, some fashion. Okay? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn your notification bell on so you won't miss any more epic, wild content, okay? A couple announcements. If you are local to the Charlotte market and you want to attend a meetup, yours truly hosts a monthly meetup. The next meetup will be this month, February 25th, 7 to 9 p.m. You don't want to miss it. I'm going to talk about how to make $1 out of 15 cents part 2. Last month we did how to make $1 out of 15 cents part 1. And I'm definitely just going to add on to that to teach you how to make something out of nothing. Last but not least, I do have a paid course if you're looking to grow and you're looking to do your first land deal and you need a step-by-step guide. Again, if you're already doing land deals, you probably don't need it, but this course is mainly for beginners who need that structure, need that hand holding, okay? So thank you for your time. Again, I'm going to be talking about today why I let 7 virtual assistants go that I trained. So first, let me tell you a little bit about my background. I've been in real estate for seems like forever. And I've worked with virtual assistants, it seems like forever. So I definitely really fell in love with like the culture, the people. They were more like family than like just, VAs and stuff like that. Like they were real live like family. Like I really enjoyed, working with them, kind of doing life with them. However, one of the main reasons why I let my VAs go is you have to keep them busy. And majority of my VAs was working my SMS campaign. And I'll be honest, my SMS bill was going up. I got to like $4,000 or $5,000 a month, basically just texting people. And another reason why I let my VAs go was a lot of overhead. Just a ton of overhead. I thought what I wanted was, it's crazy how like I hired a coach, 15 grand, to coach me, to teach me how to build a team. And I thought that's what I wanted. I thought I wanted like to be the CEO of this wholesaling operation. But when you're in it and you're doing it, it's like for me personally, it seemed like I was more striving, and it seemed like I was constantly putting out fires, constantly putting out fires. And I was just like, this is not really what I want. So that's number 2. Number 3 is that I really feel deep down in my heart that it was causing me a lot of anxiety and a lot of depression. And what I mean is, I was kind of worrying about, are these deals going to close on time? I was worrying about like, oh man, these deals fell out, or the seller changed their mind. And I was like, you'll get like so many deals, but then like for some reason it'll have like title issues, and it's just like, man, I think like I'm just breaking even. So it was causing me like a lot of like mental frustration, and I was just like, this is too much. Number 4 reason why I fired all of my virtual assistants is I felt like it turned into a job for me. They constantly needed something. They constantly needed my input, constantly needed advice. So it turned into like a job. So I'm used to kind of working what I want, doing what I want to do, being how I want to be, flowing how I want to flow. But with a team, it wasn't like that. It was like constantly like, hey boss, can you check this? Hey, I think I got 4 lots here. Hey, it was just constantly just poof. So that's number 4. Number 5 is it became like it bleeded over into my marriage. Okay, so it was like me and my wife want to go see houses, and it's like I found myself like sneaking away, amending contracts. I'll be back, babe, and then like my VA, we'll be Skyping, and they'll be like, hey, I need this contract change, and I don't know how to do this, how to. So I'm like sneaking away to like when I'm supposed to be viewing a house, being you know, kind of in the moment, you know, there with my wife. I'm just like, just trying to do another deal. And I just like, you know what? That's it. So I talked to my VAs before I like fired up. I said, hey guys, this is causing me a lot of anxiety, a lot of stress, a lot of overhead, a lot of this, that, and the third. I'm going to try to find some of you guys some jobs. So my top 3 people that was really, really, you know, the rest of the VAs were kind of new. They were just new, but it was some people that have been with me for years. So I found them work. You know, I knew other investors that was looking for VAs, especially VAs that were trained, and I found them work. And the rest of them, I just told them like, hey man, you know, I met them through like a hiring agency. So I was just like, hey, I'll give a good word for the hiring agency. It had nothing to do, you know, the job just ended. And I felt so much peace because I had prayed about it like the night before. And, you know, I just felt like this is a decision. It was a tough decision to make, but I just like, I got to do it. I got to do it. So you may be asking, what am I doing now? Well, I stopped sending SMS. I literally stopped. SMS, I think it's good when you're just getting started. You're trying to get some deals. You're trying to make money. But I'm kind of, by the grace of God, in a position where I have money to invest in marketing. And the best thing since sliced bread is direct mail. The best thing, so I just doubled down on direct mail. I'm sending, on accident this month, I sent 29,000 mailers. I typically send 10 to 15,000 a month. And you may be asking, what kind of mailers am I sending? I'm typically sending neutral letters. And basically, that's just a letter to say, hey, I'm Damien. You know, I noticed you have this lot at X. Do you have any interest in selling? Call this number. I used to send them blind offers, but I feel like you leave a lot of opportunities if you're too low, and you kind of get all the people who got the crappy lots, and some like blind offers, you will overshoot the number. And of course, people know their lot is only worth 10, but if you offer them 15, they're like calling you. And I just feel like I just rather take the neutral so I won't leave nothing on the table, or I won't overshoot it, and I just take it one by one. And I kind of get to it when I get to it. And basically, it's been peaceful. It's been rest. It's been great. So the moral of the story is let peace be your umpire in anything in business, anything in life. Let peace, anything that's causing you anxiety, frustration, depression, like pray, ask for wisdom. Like this, something ain't right. I don't care if it's your job. I don't care if it's a relationship. I don't care if it's whatever. Let peace be your umpire. Okay. So thank you so much for listening to me. Hopefully these words of wisdom will be able to, you know, help somebody who may be in, you know, a place of decision making. They need to make a decision. Do they want to hire more VAs? Do they not want to hire more VAs? I feel like for me personally, building a team, scaling a team is not all cracked up what, you know, people make it seem like. Like it's a lot of work and it's a lot of, you got to be committed like around the clock. Maybe it's the way I structured it. I just know for me, I was like, salute. All right, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Smash the like button, turn your notification bell on, and drop me a comment if you found anything valuable. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bless you, bless you. Holla at your boy. I'm gone like the wind.